Welcome to one of our Alfa Laval 360-degree service and maintenance videos. With Alfa Laval Service, you maximize the reliability and uptime of your equipment. In this video, we will focus on how to conduct service and maintenance on the standard Alfa Laval Twin Screw pump using our service kit with genuine Alfa Laval spare parts. How to change the double seal service kit in the cartridge seal. First, press down the drive ring and remove the circlip from the seal housing. Rotate the cartridge. Remove the cartridge from the drive ring. Next, remove the seal face and elastomer. Then remove the coil springs. Now remove the seal housing. Remove the two static seal faces, elastomers and external O-rings from the seal housing. Remove the rotary seal face, O-rings and plastic washer from the rotary holder. Now, replace the plastic washer in the rotary holder and align the slots in the washer with the pins fitted in the rotary holder bore. Lightly lubricate the elastomer with a suitable lubricant and fit it into the rotary holder groove. Now align the slots in the rotary face with the pins fitted in the rotary holder bore. Then firmly press the rotary face into place in the rotary holder bore. Lightly lubricate the O-ring and fit it onto the rotary holder. Align the radial pins in the drive ring with the anti-rotation slots in the seal housing. At the same time, align the slots in the drive ring with the flush holes in the seal housing. Fit the drive ring into the housing. Lightly lubricate the static face profile elastomer with a suitable lubricant and fit it into the seal housing groove. Firmly press the static face into place in the seal housing while aligning the slots with the axial pins in the drive ring. Then lightly lubricate the O-ring and fit it into the drive ring. Align the slots in the static face with the axial pins fitted in the drive ring. Then firmly press the static face into place in the seal housing bore. Lubricate and replace the O-ring. Then insert the coil springs into the coil spring holes in the drive ring. Gently place the rotary face onto the coil springs while aligning the pin slots with the pins in the drive ring. Make sure all coil springs fit firmly in all coil spring holes. Use acetone or similar solvent on lint-free tissue and wipe the sealing surfaces of the rotary face and static face clean. Do not spray directly onto the sealing surfaces. Place the housing assembly on top of the drive ring, mating the static face with the rotary face. Pick up the assembly and whilst holding the assembly compressed, turn it around and slide it over the sleeve assembly, mating the rotary face and the static face. Firmly press the drive ring down whilst fitting the circlip into the groove in the seal housing. Validate the assembly by compressing the seal a few times, making sure it springs back out each time. Finally, lightly lubricate the seal housing profile elastomer and O-ring with a suitable lubricant and fit it onto the seal housing. To maintain the Alfa Laval twin screw pump as shown, these tools are required. Always remember to read the instruction manual thoroughly to make sure that you cover all the maintenance steps. This video only shows you some of the steps. When servicing Alfa Laval equipment, always wear appropriate personal protective equipment. Thank you for watching.